Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, good morning. How are you guys doing? So I want to leave a quick message here for some of our social media Edo people. And I did live yesterday morning, and I talked about Monica about the peace she make peace with the one of Paris, which you saw I'll be also on social media. And another person called a man called Lolo, and the same prophetess that called the year of Paris called Rita. You understand? To bring about to broke. The prophetess want to be the peace broker. To settle them. Now I heard that Monica is coming out to kind of debunk the whole thing, as if she came out to say that Europe Paris was the one that came to beg her. But the whole thing is this: before the prophetess called Yuri, he called you first, Monica. Walk out here. Why the prophetess okagwa? Okay, do tiowani. Madame already retired me banyan. The prophetess win go we gwane we ha mi e wunu ya go e wunu we be ya go ye the prophetess go. Do we ma gwa le peace. A prophetess ya wona do gwa lo to yan go the prophetess yan ni ke ne prophetess tie. Yan ma on that person. Do we ma gwa le peace I wanna call you where ya calling ya now. You only settle what you all no okay can we don one job. Uwa offer you have that person straight away. Where anyone who soon every place for your phone. Anyone who we are settled on we are settled in my back every day so no one in my phone. I'm a wild doing my phone in my one. You will have that person straight away. But what money what I so money only writing any or your phone. Europe Paris was very, I will not say that it was very cheap to fall into the whole thing. But I believe when they call Jeno, you feel okay, she wants to let go. She doesn't want to hold anybody in her mind anymore. You understand? She wants to be free. That's it. So when I heard the settlement, I was saying, that's great. Peaceful thing, peace, if no one welcome, one welcome, I'll go with social media, anybody run or win on it. Because you know that way, go that way. You understand? Anybody run away, I can't win this one. Or let the person want just ignore you, no one answer you, no one just ignore you, no one waste our time for that kind of talk. You understand? So you and Monica and all these people, they will plan the whole thing. Monica is fully aware that this person on one again now here calling Yannick or the munya in lie. Ni broke a piece in here. You are that people you have agreed on it. Only like calling on a munya ye lie. Or go only get the sausage, one over you in sausage. So Oma keke we large and where do I wait here do beg where. That is very wrong. Very, very wrong. And you know saying when I warning. Would they your followers are your fans? And my nigga support when nigga rudu way bullying yana. Rudu way is your journey yana with social media. Now you don't know where to put your face anymore when it comes to those people. Remember him it can be a place buweji. With a man support way bullying the same people. We get man ya where Nimado is settle what. So for you to continue placing your followers, prove it to them where Oduga you have to come out to say to them where Omana do beg where when you know that is not the truth. So what you are doing now, you are trying to please your followers, you are trying to make them understand no, now they can't beg you. Beg you for what? You see? That peace, you want peace for yourself, you want peace for your life. You want peace for your own sanity. You put yourself first before any of your followers. Umenia, I will not get a love you when you follow. Anybody know you call you when that person is not your friend. Again, anybody know call him the way? Maybe I want call him for example. I mean, no one who in 1927 or those Mary, you made the Asaga one. You are not my friend. So you want me to just invest time? You want to talk? You want to tell him, what the hell is that? Day in, day out. You are not my friend. You are wasting my time. A cost large and you don't like cost large and I met you when you get a job or start a business in that line, you'll be making money. For me to come and start sagging people, what is saga? Insulting people, lying on them, deforming their character. That's what is saga. Anybody know you call you way? How much where a region die la laveto, a ring dog bovuse, a ring guwe, they are not your friend. They are not your friend. This message is for everybody on social media. They are anybody no call you way saga. A ring one ata uma in the water. Where atai. A one better video no. I will mam you he what boy you were seeing. That person is your enemy. That person I've never shared a video and I tell one any educative thing or only share leaking when we are watching it. It's about how you come out and insult people. At the end of the day, you find yourself in a bondage, trying to look for people to help you settle you and those guys, those other ladies. You are like you follow us where my settle now, Maggie Gui, my name in my singing so on it berane. You will come out to make it look as if you were any other beg way. When I went any soon, you are trying. What I can read in you there, Atuari Monica, is that you are trying to please your followers because you have engineered them to bully all these people because of you. When a very young man, mere audio no need a platform, or no yati, no do help you where a bully ma, a rovima. She did it for some time, then she realized. And I will put Mozon where you need it, ya agbe mania, and you know if you're that way. You know, first Mozoni. I will pop also sing, you know, if you're that way, Monica. Or I agbo was singing a mazo of Boveco. Anybody not yet Bejon, instead of them to broke peace, they want to start insulting the lady. They make matter worse. And all of them are getting bruises along the line. Again, you have to be continue to be loyal to those people. And then you say me like Kenyaji, they must come here like social media don't have me via. If you are not lucky, here a record you way, and we are seeing telling me and here are the amwe. Here are a large doctor. Here don't have me via go. Get no ya atm. Need do I instructor now? Need do I review now? They will want they come on social media to say it. They will, unless maybe what you be lucky no Zuckerberg social Facebook over do you. They will almost also know one day. And if you are not careful, I was saying we made the money. No one ya born no ya bully man where the person will not a table of a tongue. Only do via that way in social media. You will not realize so and when I did money no one you have done have to our that way. Then you will not find it funny anymore. You will not find it funny anymore. So Monica, you are trying very hard to please your people and support you. And when you do bullying and any, that is why you are coming out. You know, a prophetess is not here when in Paris. This lady, why guane? Do a magwali piece. Why do Asia? Why have don't ever? I'm with my winya you lie. Don't want it when the Lord walking ya. I not block her money. Meanwhile, she doesn't want it. Oh, we are a prophet in the world. I would best no one you were for a blockade. Oh, no, the best one no one you were funny ye. Or you are going to black her off. But when the prophetess was guane, on a woman, and I go guane, you don't move why allow. You agree with her. You agree with that person. Only get the move why line on the honorable, don't equal working. I'm why you lie. What I said to okay, well, let back up where Elijah, where do I take a glory where on I need to beg where. What you did these days, And let me say this before I say what I want to say in closing. About a followers when we're trying, we are pleasing him. You know? Ohonu mogi la janu agbe. Ogi we gbe live video. Your followers will be there. Emanigele wa love where you're gini. They will be there with you. Ohona harunva. They will be there with you. And anytime you call you, they call you for something vital, something important. Iya call you you know do mu we me. If you know do you that life you do tell you no magba. Ye my gbe, they will not push you into that direction. Iya push where you web but we see the whole le ya fe. Just look at again. You know web but not let's look at what they did with you. Manipulated your shaking head. They will not call you for that. Your lovers will still be there with you. And when you love you genuinely, honestly, they will be there with you. And when you follow where you don't know, they will remain there with you. They won't give you trouble, they won't give you stress, they won't bring any rubbish gossip to your doorstep. They will be there with you. But you trying now, you want peace for yourself, you want peace for your life, you want peace for your household. Peace is what everybody needs in their life. I'm telling you, stressing yourself out on live video, then when you go to party, then you are washing your back because understand. So you don't remember all the atrocity that you have committed on social media. Because understand. So I know. So because of your viewer, we are pleased. I'm still talking to Monica, actually. Because of the viewers who when we are pleased. That is the reason why we're not going any other is settled what. The other person like you will not come out to where all money do I beg you. Because those are your followers. When you them a bully them do I carry an unnecessary enemy. Them a receive them a biaka, we can receive biaka. This is where all these things comes in. You see I play now. That I will a retire me talk show my Johnny do up in Mado beg okay. Do beg away. That is not how because I'm wanting not to you're in well when it cuts you. When my hammer one will go a piece. Or one wakwene only care at that lady. A lady echoes all over no and solo body no in a woman. Let bag on be bag on. But you came out to wait on the beg away. What you did to that lady is this. Or to that other man away Tilolo. And we own a hinaya. I don't anybody know you true wearing or I call anybody the ho. Give your answer to whoever. Oh, Jamani here before. Or any old Janevio Janume or here. So what when Monica Hage don't away at your one, don't settle him out or settle. Oh, Jam here, so don't put your body anymore. You understand it? A opportunity in a many I settle with a man of a hour of social media. In the name of where she want to please her followers, she want to please her fans, she doesn't want to look small in the presence of her followers and her fans, she doesn't want to look stupid, foolish in the presence of her followers and her fans. That is the reason why she's doing all that. She wants a peace. If you are a true lover, you are true. Let her have a peace. Give me peace on her. Oh, when he will follow her. And ebony behavior social media where you be your weird behavior. Ubeganya. Ebony man book your way. So don't be pushing her to get herself into more mess. Me na we advice no the one no dey nika picture like that. No we are going no ya beg on you. No ya apologize no ni. Wa gbo wan azagba and I will make apology. So agbo we ni ga wash we. We were disgraced on YouTube and Facebook. Or no matter wrong you were directly. You don't have personal issue with him. As your man be a understand? You go to give him a public apology. You are a first way problem when we marry with your lie anyhow. You don't know. Or that graduate who we really lenya and kill work with Tori. You marry here one way. What will take you? Where my woman I said to no or say I mean na yeso yahu. All my fans are follow allow okay, so you talk. Let us love ourselves and move on. What will that cost you? Your real followers will remain with you. They will applaud you for giving yourself that peace of mind that you were guaronic with, that you yearned for. They will give your sister there supporting you. but now in a different way. That evil way, you can support it in a different way. Ever saw an office beg game and say, "Oh, Monica Gary, here is someone here. They will come for you, come for your household, come for your husband." Yeah, ready. Any while I will be here. Ready everywhere. Eba oh whatever it one at that particular time because my good team or very amado I ma do ya yashi. Mother say, "Ba one ni pa what you want that particular time but who do it." So you want peace for yourself, actually, Edokpolo. Give yourself that peace. Nobody will do that. You understand? A peace in you. Your lovers, your real fans, they will stick with you. How do you know your real fans? When you are on live video, usaga anybody, yeah, I've seen some people now live. They'll be having 100 something viewers. 200 something. These are the people that blocked 2005. And 2005 in Rio, they are insulting man and woman, both old and young. They are saying all sorts of things. Yeah, me bogbe. Yeah, block it. Nah, yeah, telling me, you see, their viewers have dropped. So people want to watch you when you are actually disturbing the community. When you are, pushing yourself into more trouble. People want to watch you. And some people want to applaud you for that. We are family we food challenge. We enemy challenge. We want me have it all. We me honey. Those are the evil bad people. And when we are that those are your real lovers. They will still stay there. They will still love what you're doing. They will still share the video, whatever you are doing. No one is I told us now with video. Yeah, you will share. Because people know what we're working. I like him. They will be there. They will still be there watching you. You understand? And one sumane we kwejone who we gwale peace. Owani ke mu for woman ya ati wana o. Owani he agree. Owani ga iti owani. Owani obodo na wo ma okay problem iro. Adomu wa your phone wa about here okay let bag up bag on it. You will not come out now for you to now please your fans. Can be fancy where we are. They can't they beg us so another apology don't land to. Whereas that is not how everything played out. So what you just did now, the opportunity that you have to actually settle with these other sisters and brothers, sisters especially, on social media, you have blown it off. So anybody knowing the ground, they call anybody here. Oh, they will receive the higher insult of their life. You understand? Because you are working very hard to please you. If you don't want them to see you, mommy and you do well. Rudawena is sort of one. Rudawena bully of you. Rudawena bully of that. Rudawena bully of her. We are Wayalieke and Wayaseto. Wayaseto Vieke. Ubado take a permission or be my fancy way. You don't want that. So you have to make it look as if when you are doing your way. So you just blow this opportunity up. And it's a shame and it's a disgrace. Remember, I said I was happy that you are making peace with all these people. So you'll be peace on social media space. You understand? But you have blown that opportunity off now. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's go ahead and continue and be what? Don't want to hear again. Nobody be a lot of grant and not calling one to be able to bring about peace. You will go and because any of your peace. Any matter anybody when you at you what calling or when you are calling any. So you're supposed to maintain it. Because you are working very hard to please your fans and your followers. Now you have blown that opportunity up again and back to square one. It's very sad. Imagine where woman is somewhere when I make a peace. Me don't quit your woman problem. You let them be peace. Where I like the way we model in the way. Motie where imagine where. Wani not you when me ma on there. Wani makati me. Wani kati. Wani. Ime do ya beg where. So when you can eat, you not expect them to work in your quayo near Google or Echo. No one don't why a conference con wagwan. Yeah, hear me to corny now. Yeah, me to corny. I understand. So that's it. You have blown that chance up again. And it's very bad. You know, people on social media, please. Well, maybe one of our business. Anytime we are more Latin, we miss so you hear what way. You know, anything you hear, and we are telling a product to wear. Just what you know if you are no make I watch him and hear who were there. When we finish we are here and issue a video where we are advertising business were there. And then we all don't rovie rovision. Eh? Don't be record your Roma. I have you hear me. You know? So saga is something that you cannot sustain for a long time. It will put you into mess. It will put you into trouble. It will get yourself into a lot of mess. There are a lot of things you will say that you can't prove. You understand? Social media, you can't erase it. But when I'm going to run was screen recording me. If you were I finish and you delete, people are screen recording me. They might be doing that. Or when I delete one is event, we came and I video me delete again. It will be everywhere. So give yourself that peace of mind. While at the event or a party, you can go there and you can grace the occasion and eat and merry. Who free? Who here? Who want to go to? I want to hear in Israel. I want to disfigure away for life. Only way we been. We are buying either one of the two. My understanding. So you don't want that for yourself. You don't want that for your life. It is uncalled for. It doesn't make sense. It does not make any sense whatsoever. You understand? So my message to you again, Atuari Monica, give yourself that peace. A peace in the end. Your true lovers, your true followers, your pillar supporters, they will still be there with you. They will still be there with you. Yeah, yes, if they are true your supporters, they will still be there. You know, all no team me block it for. Anytime we were at team, it ain't not battle, it ain't not matter with live video. Oh, what that for now? It no do you know warning. Oh, now where? Oh, no take way nonsense in you. I will block you off. I don't want to hear it. My goodness. You're not bringing it to me. You're not after we done all the negative things in my heart, and that does not make you a sadist. You want to transfer your own sadness to me. I'm not going to take that from anyone. You receive it? So you have time to settle down and watch every guiding live video in my hour. You collect all those rubbish works. I want to job, but when you know one way book me, a video no one also one way book me. No, oh, we're married. And we're married here. When you are here, when you can't we are. Well, my video me book, when you may are. So you want me through who have women me getting here invest. Your video no way I tell him no man. You guys are funny. You know? So actually give yourself the peace that you're here for. If you want to change your chapter on social media, give yourself that peace, and once again, go and look for that man that you published his naked picture. You have no reason to do that. You're not total, not think deep down any reason. You cannot justify it. It's not justifiable. Go and apologize to him. I will advise you to do that apology publicly. You understand? We now got a piece in it, but we're more one show. Our man will gain your call about the ground. It will not take you 3 minutes. Yeah, accept apology. Accept it. It doesn't matter. You understand? We argue on the ground. You don't come out and say, my sister, I don't have any issue with you anymore. It's Sagara or so I forgive you guys. I've moved on. I hope God will give you guys the strength to move on too. I don't have any issue with you. Please, my followers, don't insult anybody. Yeah, Monica Kaveta. When anybody here been here, anybody here insult anybody on our behalf. I understand. Now, if you say it one more time before New Year, then people will, and you yourself will change your attitude, change your character. Don't let people push you into anything. You know, don't bother your head. You know, don't do it. Because I've called me before. I know people like that. They are evil and they are terrible. Oh, no support who will any push on like the one you want to see. Or one you want to see. You know, when you have this support, you are just keep doing evil and evil. People keep just supporting you like that. It's terrible. Those are not nice people. You know, how we got a piece in it. Now you are confused. You don't want to displease people, not do the bullying money. But you want the peace. How do you get it? You cannot eat your cake and have it. If you up over, give yourself that peace. I saw a video with a Yemiana, a Proko Godfather, no, my wagon, very name. You know, No now pe the audio na the same prophetess now ho e na hina no ga go an. No e ho ni confirm we when ka tie when ka gugu wa wi go an. We maka me prophet we la go wa tie anybody root am I try madam ga try e ask you nweri. We ga try okwade. We ma the prophet yo. Or prophet wa ko ene prophetess wa ko ene. Only I call him and where the large way to one doing well. No. So all you are trying to do, because you don't want to look stupid in front of your followers. No, how do bullying and that is why you are behaving in that manner. But a piece in me, we need any we here. Are you going to please your fans or your followers, or you are going to give yourself that peace you badly needed? You know? So that's it. I know. So the opportunity will tell even why I broke that piece in. You have blown it off. Who will blow it off? Who will you blow at top it away? So anybody you know with social media, may I hear anybody here saying hello, I'm calling you regard of name Monica or Atuari. I want to broke peace between two of you. I want to send it to of you. Yeah. Yeah, what record your career can get one I go for never here to get out of vision. They will disgrace that person because of you. Because of your stupidity. Well, because you want to please your fans. A piece no gualonic woman who the any boy. Understand? You know, they didn't like the wear. When you kept picture, I did they need this away. Yeah, it can't matter where we provoke a banner or and you only want video for me not get a while alive. Walk out where walk booty women. Walk out where no hour go and away. Yeah, in a get quiet. Oh, we met it tarara. You know? So that's it. You want peace for yourself. I love my peace. I love my peace. You know? So give yourself that peace and give your household that peace. Social media, there are a lot of things. You have family. Your family is your content right there. Mrs. Your boss, I family over your content. A content you are creating. They love them. They love their lifestyle. Oh, you are really. You understand? So that is the way it is. I thought legend you 1,000 something. Una me having a young man sponge way. Yeah, like the no magba 200 on here. You know, one me on one Latia. They are not insulting anyone. They are not speaking nonsense. If you are one me or one meti, or Timare no me no magole makeup. Only one makeup, 1,000 something yeah. And one account so okay, mangolo makeup with social media. One more doing one more there, mere saga. When Monica, you are not top enemy makeup in enemy social media now. I forgot to move. You know? So don't until people on social media learn how to guide your mind. Learn how to guide your mind. Don't let people manipulate your mind. People are easily. There are people that are just like that. They will push you. Where we are doing, we are doing. They ask you, you know. I don't hear about Osungadegede. We are saying, okay, no, see where you because when you Omona, maybe your monitor stubborn. Our teacher so ya because so no that was in school. Omoni awade. Here come trouble. Omoni can what's in trouble. Omoni I don't buy why Omoni do I behave when I in trouble. How do I behave? Because people are calling you that name. You want to, start behave according to when it's you. That is what you're doing right now. But when you get deep down, you don't want that anymore. You just don't want it. But what's the way a court wama court my lawyer, but we money for no. So that's it. But my advice to you is this: if you want peace, if you really want the peace, give it to yourself. You cannot please your followers and displease yourself. You understand? What about nobody no beg. If you not beg with social media, show off every show off. I can with video near mommy baby. But soon what nobody knows. And I say, wait to social media. It time go away. But most of the things people are packaging. You know. So this is it. Like I said this in closing. Atuari Monica, listen. About the gave out about the large and where get him but no water the name of Saga, no I saw the name of Saga. It doesn't make any sense anymore. And most people know race social media near where most of the two of no larger they are all lies. You understand? Me, I give a kayo. You understand? Honey, a clear no with only. But if you want pay, instead of you sending people on the ground, I will larger, you tell me no yes, you know. So you better just come out and just apologize to them publicly and just forget and change everything about anywhere you feel okay, all these sorts of go deviate from it. And then followers who normal love who your new line, they should leave you alone. If you are afraid where you will lose followers, you will lose your viewers because for a piece in Uriah and Igbuene. You understand? You must be very stupid to think in that manner. You know, is that just it? So that is my advice again to you because I saw the video Nerita Yenyomo TV Uber. Ona no Johnny, the same prophetess no wait a legend on Paris, no wait of the same person. And you will come out and want to debunk it when you do beg you will give. So when a prophetess no no go okay, do I mean no do mean on social media. Don't walk don't walk don't way call that prophetess when able to get you about way block we live video here where all by me at when we block her off. You understand? They will not walking when immediately you know. So I know you're doing no more. May the peace of the Lord be with you all. Bye for now.